Marian Rivera Graciadantes, born the 12th of August 1984, is a Filipino and Spanish actress, television host, model, and entrepreneur. She is known for her portrayals of heroines and roles in romantic dramas. Her accolades include 3 FAMAS Awards, 5 PM PC Star Awards for television, 8 PM PC Star Awards for movies, 10 Box Office Entertainment Awards, and a Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival Award, including nominations from Asian Television Awards and Metro Manila Film Festival. Rivera initially began as a commercial model and ventured acting in mid-2000s. In 2005, she made her film debut in Enteng Cabiso 2, Okay Ka, Fairy Co. The legend continues. The film earned her a nomination for New Movie Actress of the Year at the 2006 Star Awards for Movies. She started playing minor and supporting roles in various projects and rose to stardom in the remake Miramar 2007. She gained wider recognition for her leading roles in television shows such as Disciple 2008, Darna 2009, Endless Love 2010, Amaya 2011, and Temptation of Wife 2012. She also top-billed the remake of Super Inday and The Golden Bibe, earning her a nomination for Best Actress at the Metro Manila Film Festival. She scored 3 nominations at the FAMAS Award for Best Actress for the films Aengi Panday 2011, Kung Fu Divas 2013, and Rewind 2023, the latter of which became the highest-grossing Philippine film of all time from January to November 2024. Her most successful films at the box office include Shake, Rattle, and Rolex 2008, My Best Friend's Girlfriend 2008, Aengi Panday 2011, You to Me Are Everything 2010, One True Love 2008, Rewind 2023, and Balota 2024. Appointed by the Congress of the Philippines as the Ambassador for Women and Children with Disabilities, Rivera is also a volunteer of numerous charitable institutions. She is the most followed Filipino celebrity on Facebook. Preview magazine named her one of the most influential Filipino personalities in 2022. She was the first Filipina to be inducted at the FHM Philippines Hall of Fame for being the sexiest woman in the country for 3 cumulative years, 2008, 2013, and 2014. She was also chosen as one of the members of the selection committee at the Miss Universe 2021 pageant. As a recording artist, Rivera has released 2 albums, Marian Rivera Dance Hits 2008 and Retro Crazy 2009, receiving platinum and gold certifications from the Philippine Association of the Record Industry. In 2020, Forbes Asia named her one of the most influential Filipino celebrities in Asia Pacific. Marian Rivera Gracia was born in Madrid, Spain to Francisco Javier Gracia Alonso, a Spaniard, and Amelia Rivera, a native Tagalog from Cavite. Her parents married and eventually divorced when she was 3 years old, after which her mother brought her to the Philippines where she grew up. However, her mother had to leave to continue her work commitment abroad, and Rivera was sent to her maternal grandmother, Francisca Rivera, in Maragondon, Cavite. Rivera pursued her elementary and high school education at St. Francis of Assisi College and obtained a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology degree from the De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. After graduation, she worked for a mental institution in Mandaluyong where she gave out medicine and conducted examinations and evaluations of patients. Personal life. In August 2014, during a live airing of Rivera's dance program, Ding Dong Dantes, her longtime boyfriend, made a special guest appearance. Dantes made a surprise live proposal to Rivera. It was the second proposal by Dantes. The first one was in Macau. In order to marry him, she had to be received into the Roman Catholic Church via conditional baptism, as her baptism in Spain was not recognized as valid since the church that administered it was not on the list of recognized valid baptisms by the Roman Catholic Church in the Philippines at the time. Prior to her rebaptism in the Roman Catholic Church, Rivera was a practicing Aglapayan of the Philippine Independent Church. On the 30th of December 2014, she married Dantes. The wedding was held at Cubao Cathedral in Quezon City, while the reception took place at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay and was televised on GMA Network. Dantes and Rivera had invited over 1,200 guests to their wedding. In April 2015, the couple announced that they were expecting their first child. Rivera gave birth to a daughter on the 23rd of November of the same year at the Makati Medical Center, named Maria Letizia, nicknamed Zia. Rivera supports breastfeeding in public. She was given the Breastfeeding Influencer and Advocate Award by the Mother and Child Nurses Association of the Philippines on the 25th of November 2016, citing her advocacy for public breastfeeding. On the 25th of September 2018, Dantes and Rivera announced that they were expecting their second child. Their son, Jose Sixto IV, nicknamed Ziggy, was born at the Makati Medical Center on the 16th of April 2019. During Holy Tuesday of the Holy Week, he was named after his father, Ding Dong Dantes, whose real name is Jose Sixto Dantes III. Business. Rivera opened her first business, Flora Vida, an online flower shop, in 2017. Each flower arrangement is creatively and designed by Marian herself. In 2020, she expanded her floral arrangements business into Flora Vita Home, which sells furnitures, table runners, placemat, curtains, coasters, pillowcases, and other items personally designed by herself. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.